Hey everybody, welcome to Chapter 3. This week we're going to look at nutrition and wellness. So we're going to look at your diet and kind of how that affects things and how you can make some changes in your diet in order to have a more healthy lifestyle. So let's take a look at what we've got this week. So we'll start out, and you've got your pre-test. You take that as many times as you want. I keep the highest score. There's a video about what is the best diets. There's a lot of diets out there. There's a lot of diets that are really good and they're really healthy for you. But this is going to cover a lot of those diets and some of the details and really what the best diet is. There's also going to be a quiz associated with that video as well. And then there's another one about breakfast and how important breakfast really is to your overall health. It's not a meal that you want to skip. It's a meal that you need to make sure you have because it's going to improve your health. And there's also a quiz about that video. You'll have your Chapter 3 post-test, which is your open book assignment. So make sure you're using your book for that. You'll also sign up for a proctored exam this week. We have a proctored exam next week, so you need to make sure you sign up for the proctored exam. You'll do that using the Smarter Proctoring button and schedule that exam. You can take that exam online. You can take that. I think you'll use ProctoredU to do that. You could come to one of our campuses to do that, or there's testing centers all over the country that you can sign up for to take the proctored exam. The discussion question this week, and you need to make sure for these discussions that you're really detail-oriented. The better the details you have, the better your discussion is going to be, the more useful it is for the class. Because that's the point, that we all share ideas that are useful for everybody. So you may have a really good idea and you share it with other students and they can use that idea to improve their health. So that's the goal of these discussions. In this discussion, you're going to list 2 items that you want to take out of your diet, and you're going to list 2 items that you want to put in your diet. It's really important that you're specific on these items. Don't say remove sugary drinks and add vegetables. Say I want to remove Mountain Dews and add water. So instead of drinking a Mountain Dew every day, I'm going to drink a water or a Gatorade. But be real specific. You may say I'm going to stop eating Lay's salted potato chips and start eating unsalted peanuts. So you take one specific item out of your diet and you add another one that is more healthy for you. And then make that change. Do it for a week or do it for 2 weeks, and you'll see that you start to feel better, that you have better energy, and your overall health will improve. Your digestive system will work better. So list 2 items you want to remove from your diet and 2 items that you want to add, and then make that small change. And over time, once you make that one change, you can remove something else from your diet that's unhealthy and add something that's healthy. And eventually you'll have a really good diet and you'll be at a healthy weight and you'll feel a whole lot better about yourself. If you have any questions this week, send me a message through Canvas and I'll be happy to help. Good luck.